Tired of juggling multiple platforms and ready to streamline your real estate game? Let's move those Mojo contacts over to Follow Up Boss. First, we need to export your contacts from Mojo. Log into your Mojo account and navigate to the Contacts section. Look for an export option. It's typically located within the settings or a designated menu, and initiate the contact export. Once you've downloaded the file from Mojo, it's likely a CSV file. Open it up in a spreadsheet program now. It's time to make sure the column headers match what Follow Up Boss needs. Things like first name, last name, email, phone number, and address are key. Head on over to your Follow Up Boss account and find the import section. You'll usually find this under settings or admin. Upload the CSV file you just modified, and then use the column mapping tool to match your spreadsheet columns to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss. This is crucial for accurate data transfer. Double check everything, then click Import. Follow Up Boss will start bringing in your Mojo contacts, and after it has finished, review a sample of imported contacts to ensure all the information transferred correctly. Now you can unlock the power of Follow Up Boss.